Hi everybody and welcome to Jade.bakes.things. Today we're making chocolate chip muffins. These are egg-free, dairy-free and vegan-friendly. These are the ingredients you will need to make 12 regular size muffins. First you need to whisk all the dry ingredients together except for the chocolate chips. These are really good for play dates as they're super easy and they're a really good size for kids. Then in a separate bowl, mix all the wet ingredients together. I use soy milk here, but if you wanted it to be soy free, then you can use oat milk. Now add about 3/4 of the chocolate chips into the dry mix and coat well. Then you need to add the wet to the dry and mix gently until it's all incorporated. Take care not to overmix, otherwise you'll have tough muffins. Now I make a lot of egg-free, dairy-free and vegan recipes on my channel, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Scoop 1 spoonful of the muffin mixture into a lined muffin tin, then top off with the remaining chocolate chips. So I've actually split my mixture up into 2 batches, and with the second batch, instead of chocolate chips, I added blueberries, which you can find the recipe in the description below. Then you just bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. And that's it. Chocolate chip muffins, egg-free, dairy-free and vegan. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.